All right, back on the 52 exhaust. So to start out, what we need to do is replace this 2-inch drop Speedway cross member. I put it in there. I think I thought I was gonna run the exhaust over here or what, but this just isn't enough space to run that exhaust and have a nice hanger on top. It'll be touching that cross member, and I could modify this one, but it's 60 bucks for the cross member. I just went ahead and ordered a 4-inch drop, so it'll move that cross member another 2 inches up here. Get plenty of room for the exhaust, and then we'll be able to use these nice hangers. So I'll have one hanger here, and then the plan is to bring that exhaust back here, have the muffler right after that cross member. I'll turn 90, and I think I'll put another hanger right here. We'll go out that fender there. Got the cross member welded up and bolted in, so happy with that. Next step, we'll get the pipe mocked up so we can get the V-band marked, so we can take it over to the bench and weld the V-band on, and we'll just start working our way backwards. 10. Get this guy locked up. Okay, I think I'm pretty happy with this. I got it pretty well leveled up. I got where I'm gonna put this hanger marked, so I'll weld that on. I'll weld the V-band, I'll weld the muffler to that pipe. After I get that done, I'll start figuring out where I'm gonna turn this out. Okay, we've got a solid exhaust. So passes the shake test. I'm pretty happy I changed out that cross member, so it didn't really take that long. So now we've got to add a little pipe after that muffler. We'll put this 90 on, and then we'll try to shoot it out that fender. Had to go in for a snack. Haley and the kids made homemade donuts. Pretty nice. 11 inches. That would be good. All right, things are about ready to get exciting on this whole exhaust project. So this is where I decided I want the exhaust to exit pickup. So I've got the downpipe done, the main tailpipe done, and the 90 kind of mocked up in there. I think what I need to do next is to cut this hole exactly where it needs to be. That way I can get the exhaust where it needs to be. So I'll get the hole saw, do some marking, and cut this thing out. So I'm going to use a 4 1/8 inch hole saw. The exhaust pipe itself is 3 1/2. So that should be, I don't know, a little over a 1/4 inch. Reveal all the way around. Give it a little movement. If I need to, like everybody else does, I can make a stainless steel kind of faceplate to go on there. Pop it on, it looks pretty decent. Right now, I have it so the pipe itself will be 1 inch off of the ground, and center line is 2 3/4. So I've got a 4 1/8 hole. Beta. Center of the hole would be 2 1/16. So that leaves me off the edge somewhere around a 1/2 inch. There's a wire edge that's rolled in. It's right at about that 1/2 inch as well. So I think it'll work out good just right there. So may as well rip the Band-Aid off and start drilling, right? Just really hard to go back after this point, so can't undrill the hole. We've got a hole. I think that's a pretty good location. Definitely a little bondo down there. Got the paint a little warm. It's definitely going to be getting warm with the exhaust there anyway, so. Okay, so there we go. Got the hole punched in it. Should drop this down. See what it's going to look like from the proper level. Give us the real deal view. Yep, I think it was the right move. I think that's in the right location. About the right size. Gives it a little bit more attitude. We'll keep working on it. Do about 22 inches. That'll get us close enough for now. Okay. Follow me over here. See what this looks like. Veda, you're fine. Woo-wee. That looks pretty slick, if I don't say so myself. Or do you say? I like it. I like it a lot. It's just sitting in there right now, and I'll probably trim that up a little bit. I was gonna kind of cut it and follow the angle of the body itself, but I think I like it. Just nose out there a little bit. Yeah. That's gonna be sweet. All right, let's get some tack welds on that sucker. Man, I really need to clean up in here. Got a lot done today, but I made a total disaster. See how well this fits. Couple pieces of tape on here. It's gonna be good. You gonna follow me? There you go. Don't lose me now. What you got? Way to get back and look at it. You may as well, right? Just keep having to change. that's okay. Nothing's broken yet. I'm right here. That's probably gonna be it for tonight. When we get to this point, tomorrow I'll clean up, weld that hanger on, probably weld that tailpipe to the muffler. Okay, I got the tailpipe all back in place and hanger mounted. Now it's time to do this last weld to the muffler. I'll get this welded up and I'll show you sticking it in. So, all right, here it is. Muffler and tailpipe with hangers, all stainless, with V-bands. I hope it sounds good. Pretty happy with how it looks. Get you set up and underneath here and we'll get it installed. Really hope I got that tack weld put back exactly where it was supposed to be. Otherwise, this is going to be very disappointing. V-band first. Probably need to put Loctite on that middle one. Shake test. Good. All right. There it is. Stainless exhaust system. And this is white. It's done. I need to figure out if I should wrap that or not. There it is. Pretty well centered in there.